These are the Parent Rights, A Guide to Special Education at USD 314 Brewster. So meet Susan. Like you, she's a concerned parent. And like you, Susan wonders about her rights as a special education parent. The IDEA Act of 2004 was put in place to help schools and parents work together in the best interest of the child. That includes when parents can participate, who gives consent, and procedural safeguards related to the IEP. Parents can participate as a member of the IEP team or local site council, and parents have certain responsibilities to that team. Those who can give consent include parents or guardians, persons acting as parents such as advocates, or students who are at least 18 years of age. There are many instances where consent is needed, such as the initial evaluation, any provisions of IEP services, or any major changes made to the IEP. So Susan asked, what are procedural safeguards? Procedural safeguards include a copy of the parent rights given at least once a year and in other circumstances, prior written notice to any changes made in the IEP, and each individual IEP meeting. At the IEP meetings, notice should be given with a purpose, date, time, and location, those attending, anyone the parent invites, and local coordinators. Gifted also falls under the IDEA Act with certain restrictions, such as no extended school year for summer services. So what's an example of Parent Bill of Rights? Well, that would include the parent's rights and responsibilities, along with steps for any problem solving. Susan is concerned about her child's services. So the first thing she should do is talk to the teacher or special education coordinator. Then she can present her concern to the principal, and if her needs are not met, she can approach the school board. Just remember, USD 314's commitment is to work together to establish a safe and caring environment, a place where students gain knowledge, grow in wisdom, and develop confidence. So now, look at how happy Susan is. She understands her rights as a special education parent.